Welcome back to the farm, guys. Today is the last moving day. If you watched the previous video, we sold, we bought new property to build on. Check that out. I'll put the link in the description below. But today is our last load. We didn't film moving all our furniture and all that stuff because that's kind of monotonous and everybody hates moving, and it would make it even worse to try and film it. So today we're actually moving our cows. So we got our three cows. These are pretty much our breeding stock. We're gonna get them loaded up, get them fed. Hopefully they all squeeze in our little trailer, our 2-horse trailer, and get them moved to the new property and put them out on the fresh grass. All right, back her out. I got my 2 cattlemen here to help. Back.
What the heck is this? Oh, we haven't told you yet.
That's my knife.
This is combat knife. What the heck is this? It's a combat knife.
I was not expecting it to be that big.
That's what she said. That's my big buck knife she's talking about that I open the feed bags with. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Rocket's really growing. Memphis, shut the door. There you go. Just like that. We got the 2 little guys in. Now we just gotta get bigger girl, Lizzo.
Come on, Lizzie. Get in, girl.
Look at that, muscles. There you go.
We got the cows. We got them.
We got him in, Walter. How'd you get over there?
Did I climb?
Hey, how'd you get over there?
I'll climb.
You climbed?
Yep.
Well, climb up.
No, I let him out.
We got the cows loaded up. You ready to go to the new property? You ready to go?
Let's see if we can get his girls too, because
You got Terry?
Terry, go get her, Tiger. Go get her, Tiger.
All right, we got the cows loaded up. They all 3 fit actually really well in this trailer. So we are gonna get loaded up, finish up a few things, get pulled out, and then we'll head over to the new property. We're pulling up on the property now. It's a beautiful street to get there, but I want to show you guys this view rolling up.
come on. Pick your feet up. Take your feet up. Oh, not again. Oh, not again.
We made it to the new pasture, so we are going to get the water trough set up for the cows and just kind of walk the fence and make sure everything is good. I know there's one board that's broken. I got to try and throw some barbed wire up and repair it, but then we'll be good to go.
Right, here comes Lizzie. Come on, girl.
fence is fixed, patched. That was the only bad spot. There's one other post I'll have to address a little bit, but the cows are happy. That's kind of a sneak peek of the property. Stay tuned. Next couple weeks we should get a lot more videos out of exactly what we're going to do with this property, what we're building. So stay tuned with that. We're about 30 to 40 days out from breaking ground on our house. If you guys like that and that's something you're interested in, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.